So for today's vid, we are going to be
Dude, that
pranking
text was so sick.
Twitch streamers. Yeah, it's not what we usually do, play games and all that, but yo, today we're going to be pranking Twitch streamers. Let's see how this goes. Wait.
Damn, you didn't have to do the jelly like that.
So I follow, I get some points, right?
Oh, dude, watching old Todd just make me
Highlighted
back so bad.
put up.
He's not old, but like some of the clips are like from last season.
If
Can you add me? I really like that clip. I'm sorry. Part 2?
Wait, no. If you quit the stream? Oh, that's messed up. Wait.
This goes so good. It's so good.
Oh. Stream.
I've never heard anyone use this song.
I will.
Oh, no way. That's such a dope shot.
Donate a sub. Come on.
Dude, I love the song choice. I think Robo and Dingo just loaded. I'll check later.
Quit this stream, I'll donate a sub.
Oh, I got the whole thing wrong.
Come on.
Dude, this is so good. I had to drop a like. Oh, with the bolt? Okay.
Come on, read the dang chat, buddy. Come on.
Dude, that was so sick with the pump shoot after. That was so nuts.
Come on, bro.
Yo, why did the text to speech say it like that? Dude.
Well,
thank you so much for the 100 bits. That Taj was so nice. Like the second song choice.
We need to get one of these streamers to do it.
A1 did. Yo.
Oh yeah.
Thank you for the
If
follow.
you want to join my Discord lobby, it's just
through the next 3
Cadence
games also.
server.
Bet. I'll try my hardest. One single push up. Dude, I need you guys to remind me about this. Like I always forget.
Come
I
on.
forgot that I have that in my title. I gotta do 3.
This kid just did 3
I have
push-ups.
to do 3 because it's reference for that video. You know.
Jeez, nobody ever listens back or types back, you
Do
know?
push up after bits. Thank you, Bichacho. A little
Let's
bit
see
violent
if-
there.
Is she in the middle of a game?
To other people though. 83.4 million.
Oh! If you... Oh, I full screened it. God, I'm an idiot. Okay, I get your rules. If you play... What? If she plays solo and when I will donate 5 subs. Wait, how much are subs? Hold on. How many can you buy? Tier 1. I guess I'll just go. I will donate sub. If you play solos and win, I will donate sub. Jesus, there's nobody in. Oh, I played it. I paused it.
Oh, there is Shadow over there.
Come on. Be chat.
Dodge.
I'm a follow. Come the heck on, bruh. There's just nobody. Oh man, of course there's an ear that is creepy. And let's go to another stream, y'all. Some of these content restricted. Bro, shut the heck up. Bro, we gotta find somebody who replies, you know? Oh, should I join a kid? Oh, I might have to join this kid just so I can get into his Discord. So I can prank him even farther, bro. That'd be so good. Okay, gotcha. Let's see if he'll... Oh my god. Is everything just lagging out for me? You know what, I'm just like, yoinks, yoinks. Here we go. Yoinks, yoinks. Sorry, my cousin was coming up the stairs. I'm gonna get back on Twitch. It kind of lagging. But yeah, you gotta join my Discord server. Y'all, we can, if you have a YouTube channel, I can do shout outs if you want. I've done a couple shout out vids. When I say a couple, I've done like 4 or 5. If you ask me, that counts as a couple. But listen. Yeah, I'm gonna find another server or like Twitch streamer, like a streamer. And if anything, if I get like a PC for Christmas, I'm gonna start streaming on Twitch more. I would start streaming on Twitch and live streaming on YouTube. You guys know what I'm talking about. Dang, I thought that was Loser Fruit. I was dead. Like, bro, for real? Oh, this kid look like a sweat. This kid actually look like a sweat. Let's see. Oh, I know this kid. I've already followed him. Okay, I know what your rules are. Come on. I think it's just like you can't copy and paste. Oh my god, why? You weirdos, I'm using chat. Jesus! What is going on, bruh? Honestly, I'm gonna freak out. No, I'm gonna just go to YouTube streamers. The title of the video would just be like, pranking streamers. You know? I got 5 notifications, hold on. Oh yeah, shout out to my boy Aeon YT, bro. He's a supporter of the channel. I mean, he's been subscribed for a while. I think he was like my first like 3 subs, I think it was. But yeah, go to his channel. Yeah. If everything will load. I usually like doing Fortnite because like, I swear they're always the sweatiest. It's either one thing or the other, you know? Okay. Ooh, this might be good, but this might be bad too. Come on, come on, come on. I like, and I might, doesn't even matter, she had 12K. I wish I had 12K. I want to hit 1K by next, is everything not working for me today? Hold on. I'm gonna pause it to get everything set up, okay guys? Found out the problem. I can't copy and paste because it'll freeze everything up. But yeah, that might be the end of this video, I'm gonna guess. Probably like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications, really.